Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today I want to show you this kit that we make for our 2007 to present GM 1500 trucks. So this kit fits the 1500 two-wheel drive trucks, the Suburban, the Tahoe, and your Silverados, and so on, GMC and Chevrolet. Bolt-on, all-American made, brand new grade 8 hardware. We include the spanner wrench, American-made laser-cut robotic welded brackets. Real nice kit, easy to install. This kit is available in single or double adjustable and also 2 different spring rates. So we have a 750-pound spring, which we typically would use on a standard cab truck, and on a Tahoe or a Suburban or an extended cab truck, we would use the 900-pound springs. One of the real big advantages is we do have the adjustability. So you have ride height adjustability in the front, and you also have dampening adjustment. So on the single adjustable here that I have, we have 11 positions of rebound adjustment. So when you go full counterclockwise, that'll be the softest position. If you need a little bit more dampening and you want to increase the stiffness, what we would do is we would turn it clockwise. And like I said, there's 11 positions, so there's a broad range of adjustability. And if you have the double adjustable, it adds the compression adjustment. You have 6 positions of adjustability on the bottom. So on a newer truck, you may find that you want to make your ride height a little bit more adjustable than the stock preset settings. And so that's what's really nice with our spring seat. It gives you an adjustment range from about stock ride height to about a 2-inch drop. So if your truck's a little bit crooked or not quite square, we can square it up and level it by adjusting the 2 separate of each other so that you can make it level. So with this kit is really designed for lowering the front of the truck or leaving it at about stock ride height. But we also offer, if you call and ask us, we can build this shock slightly longer and make a leveling kit. And with the leveling kit, what's really nice is instead of having like some of the off-road shocks that ride really poor, you've got great ride quality, great handling, and you can level the truck and bring the front end up just a little bit. If you're looking to level the front of your truck and get it up a little bit, give us a call so we can help you out. I've now installed quite a few of these kits on quite a few different trucks, variations from Suburbans to pickup trucks, lowered, stock height, a little bit higher leveling truck. Fantastic ride quality, really made a huge improvement on how the car works. It's a great performance shock with awesome results. For information on this kit or any other Aldan American products, give us a call or check us out at aldanamerican.com.